In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page on Constant Contact. Start from your Constant Contact dashboard. In the main navigation, click Channels, then select Landing Pages. This is where all of your existing pages live, and it is also where you will create a new one. Next, click the button that says Create a Landing Page. Constant Contact will ask you what type of landing page you want. A sign-up landing page is best when your main goal is to collect new contacts, like email subscribers or SMS opt-ins, and place them directly into your lists. A custom landing page is more flexible, and it is great for promoting a product, an event, a video, or even a simple link in bio style page for social media. After you choose the type, pick a template. You can select a pre-designed template that matches your goal, which can save time and provide a clean layout right away. If you prefer total control, choose the blank template so you can build everything from scratch. Once your template opens, name your landing page. In the top left corner, click the pencil icon or the current page name, then enter a unique internal name. This name helps you stay organized later, especially if you create multiple pages for different campaigns. Now it is time to design and customize. The editor uses a drag and drop layout, similar to the email builder. On the left side, you can drag content blocks like images, text, buttons, or videos directly onto the page. As you build, keep your layout simple and focused so visitors know exactly what to do next. If you want your branding to look consistent, open the Design tab to adjust global colors, fonts, and background graphics across the whole page. If you are using a custom landing page and you need to collect information from visitors, drag in a form block and set up the fields you want to capture. When your design is complete, click Continue to configure the final settings. Add a page title and description, since these can appear in browser tabs and search results. Set a custom URL ending that clearly matches your business or campaign. If your page is tied to a limited time promotion, you can optionally set an expiration date to hide it automatically. For performance tracking, add a Google Tracking ID or Metapixel. Finally, click Activate to publish the page. Constant Contact will provide a shareable link that you can use in emails, social posts, or anywhere you want to drive traffic. That covers everything you need to know.